Let's solve this together. It says root of x plus 23 plus root of x is equal to 4. And we're going to solve for the values of x in this question. Okay? Now, watch this as I do it carefully. First thing I can say here is let me move root of x to this side. So we have root of x plus 23, okay, is equal to 4 minus root of x. Okay? Now, let's square both sides. So we have this side raised to the power of 2 and this side raised to the power of 2. Okay, 2 strikes root, so we have x plus 23 on this side. So equal to 4 squared is 16. Root of x squared is x. Okay, this is minus squared as well. Minus times 4 is minus 4 times root of x is minus 4 root of x times 2 is minus 8 root of x. Okay, now what we are left with here is that we can say, let's push this on to this side and push this 2 to this side. We have 8 root x is now equal to 16 plus x minus 23. Okay, we have here that 8 root x becomes equal to x minus x is 0, 16 minus 23 is something as negative 7. Okay, so that we square both sides again. Square this side as well. 8 squared is 64. Root of x squared is x is equal to 7 squared is 49. Alright. Now x here becomes equal to 49 over 64. Alright. And this becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching. If you made it to the end, please like, comment, subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.